Welcome to Tamaya.com. Yeah, that's right. I'm back on set, and we have a special guest star and my special friend named James Jackson.
Thank you, people. It's been an honor to be here. Got on my new clothes and kind of fresh. You can say that, but I'm coming to my show. She probably gonna be surprised to see me, and all the fans are. So I'm just kind of getting clean and fresh for her. So yeah, I'm finna head to the show. Just got out of my car. Let's get it. Thank you, everybody. It's an honor to be here. Thank you very much.
Okay, James, tell us about yourself.
Tell me about myself. That's a good question. I like wings, macaroni and cheese, but I still stay healthy. What else? My favorite kind of style is Jordan. As you see, I have a Jordan shirt right there, and yeah.
Alright, James, I know you just got here, but I got places to be, things to do, videos to watch, videos to make. So I'm going to ask you one last question before we get off air. What question am I going to ask? Where are you going to take your career?
I want to take my career. I'm taking it where I can see fans, not to get famous girls like other stuff do. But I'm going to take my career in the path where it can probably keep going forever.
Alright, that's good, James Jackson. Well, that's all we have for today. Tune in next time on Tamaya.com.